Welcome. In this video, we're walking through how to make a highlight on Instagram step by step with the updated process. Highlights are a great way to keep your favorite stories visible even after they disappear from your profile, and setting them up takes only a few minutes. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open Instagram and head over to your profile page. Once you're there, you'll see the section right below your bio where highlights appear. If you don't have any yet, you'll notice a small circle with a plus sign that says New. Tap that button to begin creating your highlight. If you already have stories saved in your archive, you can also access them by tapping Story Archive. This is where Instagram keeps all of your past stories, even after they've expired from your profile. From there, you'll be able to pick which moments you'd like to save and showcase. Now, select the stories you want to include in your new highlight. You can choose just one story if you want to keep things simple, or gather several together to create a collection. For example, some people make highlights for travel, food, or big events they want to revisit anytime. After you've picked out your stories, Instagram will prompt you to give your highlight a name. This is the label that will show under the highlight icon on your profile, so make it something clear and memorable. Next, you'll have the chance to choose a cover image. You can use one of your story slides or upload a custom image to match your aesthetic. Once you've selected the cover and typed out the name, all that's left to do is tap Add. Just like that, your new highlight will appear right under your bio. You can repeat this process as many times as you'd like to create multiple highlights, each tailored to a theme or event. That's it. You now know how to create Instagram highlights and transform your profile into a collection of your best and most important stories. This is an easy way to keep your favorite content visible for your followers and give your profile a more organized, polished look.